Cool, so this video is going to be kind of similar to the purpose merch video. First off, we're going to start with the rectangles, so we have a rough size of our letters. Alright, so these are pretty much guidelines for each of the letters, just to make sure everything's the same size and everything's where it's supposed to be. Obviously, as always, if you want yours bigger or smaller, you either just times the numbers by whatever, 2, or you divide them.
Right.
So this is going to be the basic process for all the letters. First, we're going to draw it out in pencil, get the lines right, use the fine line on the outline to make sure everything's neat, and then we're going to use a bold marker just to color everything in. You can use a fine line to color it in, but I just feel like the bold marker is faster.
When you roll through, hey, I see you and your friends too. Yeah, you can be mine, we define too. Baby girl, we can ride like we're supposed to. Are you with it? I can slow it down, baby, if you let me. I can show you overseas if you let me. Ay, London boys stay winning evidently, but I still got haters try to stress me, but these brothers ain't ready. Baby girl, these brothers ain't ready, and you know you got on your celly, and you wanna mess with the B.I.G.K. I him on a roll. Look at the surface, everything. Fred's looking at you, and you know you gotta firm it. I wanna kick it with you, like I wanna leave with you. With your body, we got things to do. I wanna love you. I'm a pretty young.
A little trick to get all the angles correct. Basically, you can go to the letter you've already done, get the ruler on the same angle, and then just move it to the shape you're drawing.
Right. So what you saying to me? How many spoons in me into your tea? Give me that sauce, I'm not brain and that. Whisper in your ears, have you fall easily? I play my cards right. My last card's nice. And I'ma shut down these haters thinking I will never make it. All this paper I be chasing up.
So yeah, I've done a bit of research online, and I see a lot of people saying this isn't an actual font you can download. I've seen there's similar fonts to it, like maybe Old English, but basically Palm Angels has put their own like custom twist on it. To be honest, someone could easily make a font. Like, you could easily just draw out every letter, scan it in, easily make yourself a font. So yeah, if anyone's watching this, yo, get on it.
Baby girl, you can maintain.
We make that rich music.
Guess it's just something in the room. Okay. I'm raising 552. Whoa. Yeah, she came for dude. But why did she leave with the crew? Why? I put the M's on my back. I did. I still be running them laps. Can't make it rain in the summer. These looking for cover.
Angels, yes sir. Now we're moving on to the angels. This one is a bit more complicated because of the letter A, but apart from that, it's exactly the same.
Freeze, looking freeze frame when I go frame. All of my partners about it. These wanna be talk about flexing, but I lifted the boundaries. True. Started for grams. I want the checks on the Grammys. Be there the source of the baddies. 552, come let's just get it. I had a convo with Swave. He had a pen independent gold pendant. Reach ascendant. They ain't reaching where we're headed. They ain't walking where we're stepping. Prepped in 7 nights, now we're checked in 7 days. That's a blessing. Bend it over like a Beckham. Take it like a second. What you really reckon? Rockin' trippy law pause. I can maintain overboard. You're a fraud, then your diamond's full. Gazy London boy, unified. Coming soon. Got the double dribble, I'ma make it bold. Always been the darkest in the room, but the nigga shine bright, that's the truth. Facts, I got a whole lot of sauce. Ayy, I run a check and I part. Ayy, lyrics to open the door. Ayy, now the team beaming it boa. Ayy, feeling like Rocky Balboa. Ayy, I bust a dunk or a talk. Ayy, I cause a storm when I switch up. Switch. I get the buckets though. That's why they go with the love it though. That's why they go with the love it though. Ayy, these niggas, that's what I bring. I don't even know what they're bringing. Get it, it sounds like I'm singing. I'm the best with the flow, what you thinking? Right. Beast with the flow, what you thinking?
Yeah, we good, we alright. Got me buzzing, I feel like, yeah, I ain't had my horses. I keep aside with my choices. See, I'm humbling the boys. I won't lie, I won't force it. I won't lie, I won't force it. Ooh, yeah, you lie, you the spy, you say you got me. Ooh, yeah, you lie, you the spy, you say you got me. Ooh, yeah, you lie, you the spy, you say, now you say you got me. Say you got me, you say you got me. Say you got me that. Tu ne voulais pas de moi, maintenant que ça parle grave. Tu rappelles mais c'est trop tard, c'est mort, regarde-moi de loin. Tu veux revenir, hey, tu comptes me faire jouir, babe. Mais tu m'as fait fuir, je me suis rendu compte, tu m'as trop menti, yeah. Depuis que t'as changé d'avis, moi j'ai changé ma vie. Garde tes conseils d'amis, tes compliments établis. Je continue ma route, fuck, tu restes dans les ondes de choc. Pendant que je défonce des portes, bitch, tu cherches des sensations plus fortes. Pour moi elle cry, don't know. Elle veut cry, elle veut die. Elle a cry, don't know. Ooh, yeah, you lie, you the spy, you say you got me. Ooh, yeah, you lie, you the spy, you say you got me. Ooh, yeah, you lie, you the spy, you say, now you say you got me. Say you got me, you say you got me. Say you got me that. Love me, how you say you love me. It's like you hold me down and I'm in the forest.
Alright, so we're on the last letter. It's pretty much a wrap. That's the video. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. If this was helpful, comment below. I think in the next video I'm going to do some more Palm Angel stuff, maybe times other brands like Vlone or something like that. Yeah, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bow.
Nigga,